Ready to refresh your Instagram identity and snag that perfect username? Let's dive in. First things first, open your Instagram app and head to your profile page. You'll see your current username prominently displayed. Tap on the Edit Profile button, usually located beneath your bio. Now, locate the username field. This is where the magic happens. Tap inside this box to bring up your keyboard. Here's the crucial part: you need to check if your desired username is actually available. Start typing in the new name you want. Instagram will instantly tell you if it's already taken with a message like username not available. Don't get discouraged, just try a variation. Pro tip: try adding numbers, underscores, or a slightly different spelling to find an available gem. Once you found a username that's free, you'll see a green checkmark. Before you commit, remember Instagram's guidelines: usernames can only contain letters, numbers, periods, and underscores. They can't be longer than 30 characters and must be unique. Plus, you can only change your username twice within 14 days, so choose wisely. Got your perfect, available, and guideline compliant username? Great. Now, tap the Done or Save button, usually in the top right corner of your screen. And just like that, your username has been updated. This change will be reflected across your entire profile, helping your followers find and tag you with your new handle. Congratulations on customizing your Instagram presence.